simple past, signal words, last, ago, yesterday, in 1999, etc. Usage. Action took place in the past, mostly connected with an expression of time, no connection to the present. Form. Regular, irregular. For regular form, we should use infinitive plus ed. Affirmative, negative, and interrogative for simple past. I drove to London yesterday. I did not drive to London yesterday. Or I didn't drive to London yesterday. Did I drive to London yesterday? He drove to London yesterday. He did not drive to London yesterday. Or he didn't drive to London yesterday. Did he drive to London yesterday? You were at work last week. You were not at work last week. Or you weren't at work last week. Were you at work last week? She was at work last week. She was not at work last week. Or she wasn't at work last week. Was she at work last week? We, you plural, or they ordered a drink at the bar last night. They did not order a drink at the bar last night. Or they didn't order a drink at the bar last night. Did they order a drink at the bar last night? It seemed a bit strange. It did not seem a bit strange. Or it didn't seem a bit strange. Did it seem a bit strange?